Finishing up the Tuesday session, gaining for the first day in 4 after dropping for a second straight month, the worst streak since October. Industrial goods, utilities, autos leading the advance, propelling the Stoxx 600 up by 0.6%. Let's stick with earnings. Lots to tell you about. Infineon reporting profit that beat estimates today, even as the euro remains strong against the dollar. The chipmaker, the German chipmaker, has been benefiting from the increased computerization of cars and industrial production. Its semiconductors are used in cars, transmission, suspension, steering and comfort systems, which of course is a growing market for chips. It also supplies components for digitizing factory controls, an initiative funded by the German government under the rubric of Industry 4.0. So Infineon's up. Look at Rolls-Royce shares today, 10% up today, biggest gain since June 2016. First half profit more than doubling, beating estimates, restructuring measures, reducing costs faster than expected. It delivered more large jetliner engines, and the XWB turbine produced for Airbus's A350 jet proved less of a drag on margins. What a boost for the shares today, up by 10%. And just returning to our EA Go function, which is a wonderful function, just showing you how the earnings season is panning out. This is the EA function for the Stoxx 600. 257 companies out of 406 have produced results so far. On aggregate, sales are beating estimates by 1.25%. Earnings are beating estimates by 8%. Earnings not beating estimates by the sort of margins. If you hover over that bar, you can see 57% of companies are beating, negative 41%. That doesn't match up to the success rate in the US, which is above 70%. And this is just a simple sales earnings growth metric within the EA function. On aggregate, sales are up by 7.7%. Earnings are up by 25% volume. What a wonderful function, EA Go. How's it looking?